This is my hiccups. I'm not recording myself because I look ugly. But everyone thinks they're fake. So I'll just like play a game. And we'll see if it pops up still.
You sound like you're fucking gagging, dude.
Yes, that is a hiccup. My dad used to yell at me as a kid because he thought they were fake.
You sound like a dead friggin' animal.
I am. This time they won't go away. Nothing ever works on me. Ask me the question, honey.
What do birds do?
That's not the question.
Swims in the ocean.
Fish. Saying that word supposedly clears it sometimes. But apparently not this time.
I guess they don't swim, huh?
Oh. Even when I try to hold my breath, they still come up. Oh. See, so that never works. Fuck.
Boom!
Ah! Fucker. Let's see if that works. Nope.
Nope. Fucking. Boo! Boo!
Give her Sally.
No, leave Sally out there.
Let me see.
Dude, the bitch got a dent in her head now.
Let me see.
That's Crystal.
This is Sally. She used to be prettier, but I got bored with her long, beautiful hair, so I made her have a unibrow and a goatee, and I totally mangled her hair. But me and David hide this. So sometimes I sit on her, I lay on her. So yeah, that's our little game. Anyways, bye.